welcome back to the channel, guys. Okay guys, so today is actually going to be more so for my ladies that are out there and my female followers. This is actually about us, lady. I mean, it's a new year, so let's start off the new year right by taking care of ourselves and our body, starting with our feminine health, okay? But before I get into the video, guys, let's go ahead and get our housekeeping out the way, okay? So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn that notification bell on so when I post, you guys can get the latest and greatest on what's going on inside the nation, okay? Okay, so today it's actually from this company called NutraBlast. I like NutraBlast. They're a very organic and natural-based company. They specialize in different things like age-defying, things to do with your health, things of that nature. They also specialize, ladies, in feminine health, which is what this is about. They really, they have a plethora of things just for feminine health alone. Guys, of course, as you guys know, if they give me any kind of offer codes, discounts, whatever, you guys know that I will link them throughout the video, in the beginning, as well as in the description box below, okay? So let's go ahead, let's get into our items, let's dive into it. Let's discuss our feminine health, because this is something serious. A lot of ladies don't like to discuss it. It's one of those things that's kind of hush-hush. It's swept under the rug, but it's something that at one point in time in life, we all as women deal with. So let's deal with it together. Let's learn together. I mean, let's get our bodies in check, especially, you know, the downstairs area, honey. Let's get it together, girl. Okay, guys, so now that we're back, let's go ahead and dive into our items. So, they sent me these, what is this? Feminine pH strips, test strips. They are high quality. The results are in seconds. They're easy to use, and they're professional grade. And it goes to a pH balance of 3.0 to 5.5. So that's what these look like. I don't know. Hopefully my camera is focusing to show you guys like the box. I believe it's like 100 or so strips in here. And the good thing is that you only need to use this product for 7 days, guys. 7 days, and they say that you actually get instant results actually on day 1. Okay, and one thing that I want to say before I get into all this, a couple things. So I actually did my reviews on this actual product. When they reached out to me before I responded back to them, I did do my reviews because I wanted to see more about it. I went on Amazon. They have a lot of good reviews on Amazon. I went on Amazon. That's like my go-to place for reviews. As well as I went on YouTube as well. I've seen a lot of different YouTubers with good reviews as well. So I was heavily impressed. Now, this actually came just in time. I actually am one of those girls that cannot use like a lot of different things down there, like anything and everything can trigger me and break me into a yeast infection, like anything. One of those things being ivory soap. So this came on time. Okay, let's just say that this came on time. Okay, and I get into that a little bit later. So okay, so this is what the actual testing strips when it comes, guys. It actually comes like this is what it looks like. So as you guys see, I haven't opened it yet. I haven't tried it. So this is what it looks like yet. Hold on. Okay, sorry. I'm back. I dropped it, but I'm back. So this is what it looks like, guys. Of course, it has your balances on there as far as what you rank at. And this is how the strips actually, because they're wrapped up. I am actually going to do this in a 2-part review. So the first part is actually, because I haven't tried it yet, so the first part is going to be me actually just showing y'all the product, and I'm going to use it actually as of today. When I get finished recording this, I'm going to, like, you know, because it's time, you know, get shower, you know, get unwind and stuff like that. So I'm going to use this today. And I'm going to do a review in 7 days as far as what I went through. I'm going to actually vlog my entire process of me using this product, okay? Then you have your suppositories. So now the bag comes, it's 15 of these in a pack. So, you know what? I was just telling my best friend how they make everything like so impossible now to get into. Everything is so impossible to get into. They make packaging nowadays like you need scissors to get into scissors. So it's weird. So they're just your regular applicators. Just your regular applicators. It has a piece. This is like the part you pull out, and then you just put the suppository in here. Pop it up in there. Also, if you're unsure, if you've never used one of these, don't feel bad. They actually have directions on the back on how to actually use it. Most people do, some people don't. That's fine. Everybody's different. And then you have your actual suppositories that you would use. So I haven't opened this yet. I tried to, but my nails won't let me be great. So I don't know if I can. I'm trying to get the plastic off to show y'all. Use your tiger teeth. Use your tiger teeth. I'm eating plastic. Oh my God, son. So, these are the suppositories, guys. It supports pH balance and supports vaginal health as well. And you only need these for 7 days. Let me see. Yes, you insert one of these at bedtime for 7 consecutive days. So I just want to see what they look like. Okay, so they're just in the form of just like regular. I don't know if you guys can see. Just regular pills. Regular, that's what they look like. So just regular pills, they're really safe. Okay, so, but yes, this is something that I'm definitely going to actually use as of starting today. As I stated earlier, I am suffering from a yeast infection. It started, I think it started like yesterday, day before maybe. As a matter of fact, I think it started yesterday. I am not one of those girls that can use, like I said it earlier, any kind of soap, like even certain toilet papers, like will trigger me. So this product is good for like, of course, vaginal itches, odors down there, yeast infections, bacterial vaginosis. It's very good to just detox your body and just get you together down there. And I love it because it's a natural product as well. So this will be very good for you. I was going to say something else. I forgot. Give me a minute. Okay, I remember now. My bad, y'all. I'm back. I remember now. What I was going to say, I was going to go over, like, just as far as my personal, I guess you could call it walk. Child, I don't know what you want to call it. But that's how I was saying, like, certain soaps I cannot use down there, like Ivory soap. I have another one of my homegirls that can, and it's perfectly fine. I can't use, like, certain toilet papers. Of course, anything with dye or fragrance on it, most women can't. But, like, certain brands. Like, I can't use Angel Soft toilet paper. That will tear me up. Even certain laundry detergents, I can't use as well. Like, just certain laundry detergents I cannot use when I wash my clothing because it will affect me down there. So, that's something I mean, of course, using a product will help you, but also being mindful of like things you eat, your everyday diet, even things you drink. You know, if you are a heavy alcoholic or you love some wine, honey, or you love some beer, you know what I'm saying? You have to take those things in mind as well, ladies. Of course, you know, our weight, honey, they love to target the big girls and say because you're big, but you can be small and still have these same issues, honey. Also, water. I know some of y'all out there don't like water. I know. Some of y'all do, because I love me some quality H2O. But you know, some of y'all don't like water. So also, ladies, get your water intake up. That is also going to help flush and prepare your body as well. And also be mindful of the soaps you use. As much as we love certain smells and fragrances, honey, every smell and fragrance can't be used down there. You know, keep in mind as far as when you wash yourself. I know I don't have to tell y'all this, but some, you know, it's just, I'm just going to say it anyway. The same towel, face towel that you use to wash your body, you should definitely use a different towel to wash your hoo-ha area. I'm just saying. you definitely probably need to use a different towel. Because, you know, just like you wouldn't use that same towel to wash your face, you know, the same, yeah, same thing with the hoo-ha area. You got to be careful with your coin purse. You can't be, you know, just putting anything down there in your coin purse and just trying to use it and think everything is going to be okay. For my ladies that shave, this can be something that triggers you as well. Because I know when I was shaving, certain shaving creams would trigger me. Even when I go get waxed, depending on the type of wax they're using, I have to ask them and look into that. I know they think I'm being funny or weird, but I have to be careful because that can trigger it as well. I'm very sensitive when it comes to being down there. So that's why I have to be like uber, like, what type of wax is it? Or, you know what I'm saying? Like, what type of shaving cream am I using it down there, you know, for my bikini area? These are things that we all have to keep in mindful of, ladies, and we also have to be aware of, because this is our coin purse. Star body. So yeah. And oh, one last thing. I know a lot of us love loofahs and them sponges. After I think about 14, it's either 14 days or a month, you need to throw it away. No matter how much you wash it, no matter how much bleach you put on it when you wash it. Sorry, y'all know I cannot talk. It still holds certain bacteria in those loofahs and those sponges, and that's because of the materials they are made of. So ladies, keep that in mind as well, okay? So, yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, so, I mean, the video was really just short and sweet, you know what I'm saying? Of course, as I stated, this will be a two-parter. So, probably next week, actually, yeah, next week, same date, same time, same bat channel. I'm going to give you guys a review. I'm going to vlog my process as I'm going through it as well. But guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Again, turn the notification bell on. Give me your feedback right in the community. Email me. Follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. Let me know what you guys think, okay? So until next time, She Nation. Peace.